But regarding item number 2, I have got an instruction to withdraw the case.
Two, we have already passed orders. It's actually wrongly listed for delivery of orders. It was actually a CAV judgment. So I've already prepared the judgment. We deliver it. Forget it. Yes,
Lordship, with the consent of other side.
7, 8.
7, 8, 9, Lordship, a partner matter is going on since yesterday.
7, 8, 9 filed to some.
Lordship,
Why are this listed before me? I had not made it part of.
that I know.
What a curiosity. Uh, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the prayer made on the prayer of Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation Department,
Next week, Lordship.
registry to list these matters again after a week on a date to be fixed by it. Oh, sorry. The present matters are not part heard before this court, and accordingly, the same registry is required to list these matters according to the roster. Before the appropriate court, according to me, before the appropriate bench.
Please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 16 for adjournment, lordship. Consent has been taken, lordship.
Why? Where is Mr. Kotogi?
I'm appearing from Escotogi.
Huh?
Escotogi. I'm appearing from Escotogi on behalf of Escotogi.
And you are paying for?
I am for the respondent, Apex Bank, lordship.
Why? Why adjournment?
Lordship, due to my senior instruction, lordship.
Who is your senior?
Mr. J.K. Goswami, lordship.
We'll have it on Thursday. Only on a small point. We just want to rectify that. Thursday. As prayed for by the, on behalf of Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Council, Standing Council, Apex Bank. Registry to not objected to by the Learned Council for the review petitioner. Registry to list this matter again on Thursday. Imanove, 12. 12.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item 13 of the daily list today. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of FCFC. Shibike saying due to some difficulty, he couldn't come to court today.
Just hold it. Let the matter reach. Matter. Item 1, heard the parties at length. Case judgment reserved. 2 to be. Oh, judgment reserved. CAVN. Actually, this matter was reserved for judgment, but it came as delivery of orders. Anyway. In view of the conclusions reached by this court herein above, the writ petition is held to be bereft of any merit and the same accordingly stands dismissed. However, there would be no order as to costs. A stapler my division. Also inform Mr. Purkai stop. Where is Mr. Mike?
He informed me, my lord, he needs adjournment, my lord.
heard Mr. H. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the finance, for the respondents. Finance and none appears for the respondents. So, the registry to list this matter again after
Next, week, my lord.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. The matter shall not be treated as part of anymore.
No, let me as a part of my lord.
I'm not sitting, that's the problem.
Then whenever
this-
lordship will be available, my lord.
1 month, it will not be possible because I don't think so. I'll be having a single bench
Otherwise, it
before
was
vacation.
already hard.
I know, I could have passed the orders. Anyway,
He
right.
has told me, my lord, to adjourn the matter only for the day. My lord.
Doesn't look nice when I'm not holding the.
Yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
Sir, on the last occasion, I submitted my written argument.
Was there a show cause notice issued to you?
Yes, my lord.
But you have not brought it on record. (16/1, 2012). You have submitted a reply to that also, but you have not brought those material on record. Why?
My lord. Yes, my lord, he has submitted his reply.
Hmm.
After that, my lord, your lordship may kindly see, they have.
You have projected your case in a manner that there was no proceeding, no show cause issue. But there is a show cause, there is a,
My lord,
be that how much more you want. They have even given you the inquiry report.
my lord, your lordship may kindly see the suspension, date of suspension
Hmm.
and the date of initiation of departmental proceeding, my lord.
Date of suspension is 19/7/2016. Right?
Yes, my lord.
And your show cause notice is
The suspension order was passed on 19/7/2016,
Hmm.
and the notice in respect of the departmental proceeding was issued on 21/10/2017, more
Ah.
than a year, my lord.
But be that as it may, why is that not on record?
The petition
So,
suspension was-
madam, why is that not on record? Why have you not brought that on record?
I have, my lord, stated in my writ petition, my lord.
Okay, show me that statement.
During inquiry, notices were served upon the petitioner to appear before the inquiry on the date fixed, but he
Madam,
could not.
Madam, the gray area here is whether that show cause was with regard to the suspension or a misconduct. Just show me that, that's all. If it was with regard to your suspension order, I'm interfering. But if it is with regard to a departmental proceeding under Rule 9, then I'm imposing cost
My lord,
for suppression.
respect of my lord suspension, my lord.
Show me. Why are you withholding that?
That no showcase. That.
I'll
my
not
lord,
go into
annexure
anything
C,
else.
my lord, annexure C, page 15. You were suspended by the order. This is regarding, this is inquiry report. my lord. In fact, that petitioner was suffering from mental, my lord.
He
disorder.
was issued with a show cause notice on 16/1/2017. You submitted a reply on 27/1/2000. You have the records?
Yes, my lord.
Show me. Take out page 147C. And madam, if that is if the show cause is under Rule 9, of the 64 rules, then I'll haul you up for suppression, clear cut suppression. You have misdirected your approach. Madam, it is yours.
Page numbers are different.
Page numbers are not there.
Page numbers are there, but
Oh, this is a Xerox copy.
yes, madam.
Oh,
Because there has been lost by the misplaced by the college authority. Thereafter, there has been.
no, where is that Tukas notice? This one, hello.
Page 15, my lord, annexure C, my lord. For the notice issued to the petitioner, then he submitted his reply also. In his reply, he furnished medical documents also because he was suffering from mental ailment, my lord. And this was admitted by the, my lord.
Are you a
Yes.
provincialized employee?
Yes, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see annexure F, page 31 at the bottom, my lord.
I'm sorry.
In the order, the inquiry committee observed that the allegations are proved, but also observed that the indifferent attitude may be due to his illness. So they have admitted that the petitioner was ill, my lord. He was a mental patient, my lord.
No, madam, where is that
That-
allegation against you?
My lord. Yes. And the charges, my lord. The inquiry report, page 23. Charges and allegations, my lord. Page 23, my lord.
Page
You are-
23.
Page 23. You are very unenthusiastic in taking your classes. You don't explain clearly and properly about the.
Madam, this is the inquiry report. I want the show cause.
Only one notice I have annexed, my lord, annexure C, my lord.
That is again not the one.
My. No other document.
Regarding you were suspended, the college was constituted. Committee framed the following charges against you. The committee submitted, the committee proceeded ex parte.
And
Where is the report of the will be taken into consideration? So and so, the report is sent to you. What is this? And you are approving all this. I want the show cause. Rule 9(2) show cause.
On that record, Mother Chopra is not there.
Nothing is there.
Yes, Mother, because the original file was actually misplaced. That's why those are the photocopy documents they created.
The petitioner will have it.
My lord, the petitioner, my documents are not in order because at that particular time, the petitioner was undergoing treatment. for-
He submitted his reply. Madam, you come to page
Yes.
31.
After recovering, my lord, he submitted his reply.
Ah, Come to page 21.
Page
31.
20, page
31.
20 is his reply, my lord.
You come to page 31. Third paragraph. The college authority issued a show cause notice to him by letter dated 16/1/2017, which is at page 148C of this file. This is not there. Be
These
that
are
as it.
not available with the petition.
The
my
charge memo was a heard the Lanark Council. This matter cannot go like this. I can only do one thing. I can say that you have not brought the materials requisite on record, so dismiss. What can I do otherwise? To come to a conclusion that there was no inquiry, Rule 9 was not
Inquiry
followed.
was there, my lord.
No, rule where that inquiry is again a doubt, whether it's with regard to your suspension.
Principal, college authority, the college authority does not have any authority, my lord.
Show
The
me,
appointing
madam,
authority
just
is the
show me,
director.
just show me that letter,
Yes,
that
my lord, the inquiry, your lordship may kindly see the inquiry report.
inquiry report, forget it.
Principal, my lord.
Inquiry report, forget it. I want the show cause. That'll do.
Because is not available, my lord.
Yes, you also don't have it.
My lord, I have to ask one more time, my lord.
Ask the college authorities, they'll have. We'll have it on Thursday. Heard Madam S.B. Chaudhary, Mr. S.B. Chaudhary, Lanark Council for the petitioner, and also Mr. So-and-so, Lanark does for the does for the Lanark Standing Council,
Higher education.
Huh?
Higher education. Higher education.
Higher Education. So, Mr. Das, on the next date of listing shall furnish place before this the copies of the show cause notice issued to the petitioner and the reply so filed against the same by the petitioner herein. Also, in the event the same is not available with the directorate, the Director of Higher Education, Assam, shall furnish the said documents after procuring it from the college authorities.
Kindly mention the matlab, date and of the purpose notice mentioned in the
You
inquiry-
come to page,
in the inquiry report. That is-
you come to page
That is on inquiry-
31.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly
Third
men-
paragraph, show cause notice dated 16/1/2017 and a reply dated 27/1/2017. Madam, once we get that, we will formulate a record to grade. List again on Thursday. Skip going go. Record to grade. Because what I find is the materials you have arranged in your writ petition, that inquiry only pertains to your suspension,
Yes, ma'am.
not to a proceeding. But from the page 31 letter, it is clear that there was a 9-2 proceeding initiated against you.
Yes, ma'am.
But that is not, that is suppressed, I'll have to hold.
My lord,
That is suppressed because you have not even referred to that anyway. Madam, you have not referred to that. I've gone through it twice.
my lord, whatever instruction I have got. from
No,
the
not
petition-
you. You means the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe because of his, you have taken a plea of mental ailment. That's why I'm restraining myself.
And my lord, the medical documents are available.
I
in
know
the
that.
record,
That
my
is
lord.
why I'm not proceeding. I'm asking them to get that document. Get it from the
Yes.
college.
हाँ, चलो।
Mr. Kejriwal, Mr. Pathak, this matter may not be permissible for me to take now because I don't know where I'll be sitting these days. So maybe in the division bench only. So this will just lie like this. Today I could get some time, but tomorrow, day after, we don't know what is going to happen. So I'm releasing it, have it before somebody else. And you have got the copies of the earlier orders that uploaded, copies were uploaded, those land matters. Okay.
Will.
Heard Mr. S.K. Kejriwal, Lanark Council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K.P. Pathak, Lanark Standing Council, APDC. So, as agreed to by the Lanark Council for the parties, registry to list this matters again before vacation or after? List this matter again.
Actually,
on-
have it before vacation, your lordship. Otherwise, my contention is that these are covered matters, so at least
on 22/10/2024. The registry shall not treat the matter as a part heard matter any further. If I am there in bench 4,
Very well.
I'll go.
very well. Deeply obliged.
Yes, instructions?
CPF is only released, my lordship, other, not released. Other allowances are not released, my lordship, pension and benefit, nothing, my lordship. Only CPF.
Heard Ms. B. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents on call. As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Registry shall not treat the matter to be a parted matter any further.
Obliged, your lordship.
Mr. Nutt. Sitting in the division bench these days, I don't know when I'll come back to the single bench. So
It's all right, yes, sir.
but let it be before the normal bench.
Normal, yes, my lord.
Lordship already had it.
I heard it long back. Forgot.
Because two court.
As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the parties, the registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Matter shall not be treated as a parted matter any further. Because these are matters not authorized to me now, so I'll not. Heard Mr. A. Das. Mr. Dasgupta. Let it be before the normal bench, the regular bench. Heard Mr. A. Dasgupta, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. B.K. Singh, Learned Standing Counsel FCR for an adjournment today on account of personal inconvenience. Accordingly, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, a registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks. 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Also, matter shall not be treated as a tied up matter in tied up public parted matter any further.
That substance allowance. Commission.
Yes, money has been paid.
It was sent to the finance department, lordship.
That is in July itself.
It is credited to the petitioner's account. It's
Madam, that is something you have to tell us.
lordship may kindly peruse this.
Mr. Nath, credited. Amount credited, then. If it was credited, Mr. Nath would have had a smile in his face. For reasons, no.
Otherwise also it is there.
Why is the finance department has not cleared?
Lordship,
Finance has not cleared.
not clear, lordship.
Why? Who is
Because
appearing for the
there is
finance?
Finance not a party here, lordship.
Forget it. Get hold. Yes, Mr. Borbuzari. Why the
14.
finance is not clearing these bills of the subsistence allowance?
I have to check it, my lord.
It is beneficial. They are not giving 100%. 75 only is being paid. Salary 100%. Mr. R. Borpujari, first of all, heard Ms. D. Devi, Learned Counsel for ADV, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. For the respondent. Health Department, who submits that the that a proposal for sanction of area subsistence allowance. Salary is also involved over this. Salary is not involved.
No, it's a allowance.
Subsistence allowance only.
Yes.
Subsistence allowance in respect of the petitioner herein was processed in e-file number 499600 and was forwarded to the finance bracketed A&F department for its concurrence, approval.
This proposal is with regard to area salary, not.
No, that is wrong.
subsistence allowance.
That is wrong. It should be subsistence allowance only.
No.
You
lordship,
read the total part. Read the para 2 and para 3, then you will understand para 4.
Subsistence allowance.
The matter
That is-
relates to non-payment of subsistence allowance.
Ah.
Now, these are all delegated powers, my lord. Finance department, one need not approach the
That-
finance. I do not know. Lordship, let me read it. The matter relates to non-payment of, I'm reading the second paragraph. Matter relates to non-payment of subsistence allowance of Dr. Tapan Hazarika with effect from so and so at the rate of 75% last basic pay. The Honorable High Court by its earlier order dated so and so directed for release the subsistence allowance as aforesaid, but till date, the same is not credited to the account of the petitioner. If petition came up for so and so, the Honorable High Court directed the respondent authority, more particularly Secretary so and so, to ensure that the subsistence allowance which due to the petitioner to be credited to the account of petitioner for. In this regard, a proposal for sanction of area salary.
Actually, that is a mistake. It's not area salary. It should be area subsistence allowance.
I've never claimed.
Proposal, because otherwise,
You just have your instruction.
I will take instructions from the department on the strength of this document
Huh.
and whether, my lord, it is pending and at what stage.
Mr. Barput, so and so. क्या लिखा है? A proposal for concurrence. Mr. R. Barpujari, Learned Standing Council Finance Department is requested by this court
Okay, oh,
to receive instructions as to the stage of processing, stage at which they said proposal is pending before the finance department. They said information be placed before this court on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again. I'll finish up this because I've started this. I think I should finish up this.
Lordship can
On-
fix it tomorrow itself
No,
also.
tomorrow will not be possible on Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday, any problem, Mr. Matt?
But date, my lord, it's all right.
12th.
Except 17th, any dates are.
12.
My lord. And the lordship has said earlier occasion, further submission should be considered. Like,
We'll consider that. I only want this,
two small issues there.
but I only want this barriers to be clear.
Yes, fine.
By slip, koi nahi koi.
But I appear for.
Mr. A. Bachchaji, Learned, Government Advocate. No, AG, Standing Council AG.
Applies. my- Still, I'm going with smile, my lord.
Huh?
I'm going with smile, my lord.
Maybe he'll be there in the evening today.
My lord.
Can it maybe?
My lord, even in court number 1 yesterday also, I went with smile. My lord.
But it was a real good reading, that case.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Also reading my Lord Justice Jonathan Kumar's judgment and the judgments that he had relied on there. I enjoyed.
Yes, my lord, yes. That's the way we learn also. In every
I'm-
case you learn, that's the way.
Because these are new topics to me. So
Yes.
when I get something like that, I go into.
Yes, my lord.
I enjoyed it.
Not new to lordship, my lord. Lordship has gone through, but in details, what you can say, my lord. Applies, my lord.
Yes,
May I please-
Mr. Barpujari, amount credited.
Perhaps not, my lord, if lordship kindly peruse order dated 12/6/24. There, my lord, lordship has directed the petitioner to make a representation before the principal secretary.
huh.
Whether it has been made or not,
He has made it. So
On
why the
19
amount is not
On 19/6/2024, my lord, I have. filed-
then, my lord, I will have to.
Thursday? On the prayer of Mr. R. Barpujari, learn it, register to list this matter again on Thursday for further hearing. Thursday.
Copy move, copy, photo.
These two matters, I'll see that it is done thereafter. And what happened to the other case? That doctors, 50 lakhs. A doctor was dead.
Yes.
That has been credited.
That is also fixed, I think, on 12, my lord.
Well, okay.
It will come together, because now only two matters are pending related to, my lord, that 50 lakhs payment. But there is no way of escape, my lord.
Obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
What was that name of the doctor? Doctor,
The petitioner is the wife, something, my lord,
he was he was treating COVID
yes,
patients.
some-
Dr. Ahmed, no,
Mofida Khatun, something like
like
that,
that.
something.
See to that it is done.
They
This-
will- they will-
this-
they will
this-
get it.
this people
They will-
should
they will
get it.
get- they will
Thursday.
get it.
Deeply
because-
obliged.
Thursday.
The
Try to bicycle.
letter that, my lord, cancellation notification is issued in a prospective date. So therefore retrospective are all saved, my lord. So there is no way of escape, my
No,
lord.
no, no escape.
Definitely.
And that's why you have rightly considered to that point.
At the end of the day,
That-
nothing is
No, no.
forthcoming. Lordship will issue mandamus, my lord.
Asked, inquired about me, and I was.
No, item number 2, we have dismissed it. That you're that lady. 2005 regularization. You have said it cannot be given a retrospective effect.
I want to, one air line may be added for to approach the authority.
Approach the appropriate authority. Yes. None appears for the petitioner on call, for the applicant on call. Also. Registry to list this matter again after a week. Also, the matter shall not be treated as a parted matter, public tied up matter, any further. এটা পঠাই দিব দেই। Tied up কৰি লওঁ। হৈ গ'ল না?